Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Sequoia SR5. This is an 8-passenger 4-door SUV in magnetic gray. Under the hood you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your 2 front tow hooks, fog lights and daytime running lights, roof rails, and running boards. Why don't we hop inside the Sequoia and see what else it has to offer. So we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here we have these arrows which will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center over there. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have these arrows which will help you navigate through your multi-information display. It's located right in the center, like so. You also have your Toyota safety sense buttons with your dynamic cruise control and your lane departure assist. And right behind the wheel you do have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM, as well as USB, auxiliary, and a choice between Bluetooth device. Go ahead and go in reverse. You got that backup camera with those guidelines. Moving down, you have your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can control the temperature on both sides. Next to that, you do have your drivetrain options selector. Underneath, USB auxiliary, driver and passenger heated seats. Underneath, you have some storage compartments as well as 3 cup holders. And behind that, you have this huge center console. Lots of space in here. There's also a nice little shelf up top. Lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. Lots of room in here as well for a glove box. You have this little top half as well. Let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage just like the driver's side. More all-weather mats. Light gray leather seating continuing. And behind the 2 front seats, you do have these little pockets for some storage. Down below, you have your 2 cup holders and your climate control settings for those rear passengers. And the second seats do fold down, just like so, and that'll give you access to that third row seating. So to open up, we got our little button right underneath here. Give this a gentle so right now we have the third row seating that is up. They do go down, of course. You got these buttons on the side, left and R. We're just going to go ahead and hold the left one, and that left side will come down. Easy as that. That will provide you with some extra cargo space, and of course the second row seating does go down as well, so you can get that extra bit of space. Lastly, underneath here, you got some nice storage compartments. So to close up, all you gotta do, just give this a push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sequoia SR5. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 8-passenger seating, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and heated seats. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.